Hello everyone. Today I will introduce our Tesla CarPlay module to you. New CarPlay module. This is our box with HDMI interface on it. Here is our UI menu. Then we connect this CarPlay. This one. Now it's connected. Now let's set full screen. And then there's a user setup. Click full screen. This is the full screen mode. Okay, so that's the full screen effect. Then our box can be connected to a front-looking camera. We connect these two wires on top of the cable. One is video input. One is camera powered. This is our front-facing camera. And I click here. And then we have a camera here. You can also see the camera here. And now we introduce that it's us. External HDMI device. This is the Apple TV box. And I'm going to stick this box in here. The picture of Apple TV has already appeared. This is the picture of Apple TV. There can also be an external high definition here. Type-C interface to HDMI interface. Let me show you. Just connect the phone like this. Then it also picked us up at this time. Plug in the HDMI interface. I'm going to show you a film. This one. Here's the setting half screen mode. Then we can click here. Then the brightness is adjusted here. You are like me. Is this a display? Then this is the toggle. Light mode, and then CarPlay is also light mode.